B for bravery. So you have to be brave. Okay, you should do daily. You should do small things which will overcome your fear. Okay. So what is that you fear a lot? Does any one of you fear, going near to the stove or near to this? Are you afraid of dogs? Anyone is afraid of dogs? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to slowly able to, make them friends. Okay. Slowly you have to become brave. So if you fear like that and stay away from the dogs, you will always be afraid of it. Okay. So when you are afraid of the dogs, they will also be afraid of you. But when you are good to them, they'll also be good to you. Okay. But you should stay away from the dogs very far right now. If there's a small dog, then only you have to make it friend. Should not go near to the big dogs. Should stay away. Okay. And C for concentration. So what you should do, you should concentrate on what you are doing. Okay. So can you concentrate in the class?
Yes.
If you are not able to concentrate in the class, you should just say concentrate. Okay. So now there is a small technique that I will tell you about concentration. Okay. So whenever you are thinking of something so if you are thinking about some you are thinking about your home, what my mom did. Okay. And you are not able to concentrate on the class. Then what you should do? You should actually do some signals to your mind that you have to focus on the class. Okay. How do you concentrate like that? How do you do the technique? So what you should do is, for concentration, what you should do is, you should actually close your eyes and you should breathe a lot. Okay. See, what's the most powerful thing in the world? Is it your food, water, or what is most powerful in the world? What you take inside? Air. Air is very powerful. Who is the strongest, most powerful person you all know? Yesterday we did the story, right? Who is that? Lord Hanuman. Lord Hanuman is the son of whom? Vayu. Means air. Okay, so when you have lot of air, you will never go sick. You feel like drowsy like this and all. Why you feel? Because your body is not having enough oxygen. Air. Okay, so it should be not more than 3 times. 3 times you do like that. Okay, if teacher is taking the class, don't close your eyes. Teacher will now then give you punishment. Okay, no, you should not close your eyes when your teacher is telling. Okay, when teacher is not there, close eyes but don't sleep. Okay, again teacher will come and give you punishment. Okay, so now how many times?
3
times. And D for discipline. So you have to be disciplined in everything that you do. Okay. After going home, how you will leave the shoes? Throwing like this. No, like that. What did your teacher taught you? Tell me. How did your teachers teach you? How do you have to leave the shoes? Properly in one place. Okay, you have to always follow that place. And if somebody is not leaving the footwear properly, you should tell them. In your home also, you should tell them, keep the footwear properly. Okay, you have to discipline everyone. You have to discipline yourself and discipline everyone. Okay, start with how you keep all your clothes should be properly kept in one place. Don't throw it like this. Okay, you should not throw books, should not throw clothes like that. Okay, that discipline you have to learn. Okay, E for
education.
Do you have any value without education? No. Okay, you will not have any respect outside. Okay, there are a lot of people who earn money. A lot of money they will earn. Okay, they will do all wrong things and earn money, but they will never earn respect, real respect, without education. Okay, education only gives you respect. Okay, and then what? F for focus. You have to focus on something. See, if I am driving a car, so if I focus on my phone, what will happen? Accident. So you should not. So now now what is your focus? Education. You have to study well. You have to study well. Okay. If you are focusing on TV, focusing on phone, what will happen? Accident. You will not grow in your life. Okay. Then after growing up, what you should do? You should do the labor work. Will you do the labor work? No. You become a big officer and everyone comes and opens your door. You want to be like that?
Yes.
Then you have to educate yourself. Education is very important. Okay, and focus is very important. Okay, you have to focus on education now. G for Gratitude. Early morning when you wake up, what you should do? What you should do?
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God. Which God you should pray for? Which God you should pray for? Yes. Which God you should pray for? Whichever God your mom says. You have to go and ask. Okay, which God I should pray? Your mom will say that only you have to follow. Okay. Then yeah. G for gratitude. You should be thankful for your life. Thankful for your. See, you have hands, legs, all things. Now there are a lot of people who don't have. So they'll be suffering, right? Without hands, without legs, without eyes, without ears, it will be very tough. Life will be very tough, right? So you're very good, right? So you should thank God. You should thank God. That's gratitude you should have. Okay? G. H for honesty. You should be honest. Okay? That stories we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay? H for honesty. I for intelligence. J for K for L for M for motivation. Okay? And N for networking. Networking. Okay? I will tell you the power of networking tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. Clap, clap, clap. Clap fast.